In this video, I'll show you how to use search and advanced search in Shooglebox. So first of all, let's go to the search icon up here on the left, and when we click it, it takes us through to the search page. For this example, I'm going to search for a brand where I know I've got a lot of their content in Shooglebox. And I'll just press enter to search now, and you can see that I've got 154 results of all the cards and stacks that mention the word Costa. But I can now refine that search by going to advanced search at the top, and I get this panel with all these extra options. So I could change the results to be from a specific date in time, which workspace they're from if I have access to multiple workspaces, which box the cards are in. You can filter it down to which stickers have been used on the cards, and similarly which colours have been used, and also tags and who created the card. So I want to explore whether Costa has appeared in any TikTok trends lately, and the Buzzbox, which is a premium Shooglebox add-on service, is full of the latest TikTok trends. And I can see that there's 12 in here. So when I tick that, I can see which ones they are on the right. And I can click on these cards to see what's on the back of them. And we can also view the card in its place by pressing these links here, which link to the box or stack that they're in. Let's also just say for the purpose of this that we want all the cards that mention Costa in the Buzzbox with the heart sticker. And there's the two that we have. I can reset any of these filters at any time by pressing reset all, and I get my original search results back. I hope you found that useful. If you'd like to see any more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of Shooglebox, you can head to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.